Today I'm going to show you how to connect your mouse to your iPad. Okay, so here's our mouse. Now, here it is. Here's an example of your Bluetooth one. Now, press the Bluetooth. Okay, so when you click your Bluetooth button on your mouse, it should flash blue. To make it available for connecting, press and hold the Bluetooth icon and it should start blinking. Then go into settings and then look in your other devices. And it should come up as accessory or Surface Mobile mouse, and then press pair. And when the flashing lights stop, it's finished. Or just move your mouse around. Now to change more looks of your mouse, go down and go to pointer control. Now here you have your pointer size options, so you can actually choose how big you want your pointer to be or how small. Now you can increase contrast, so when you put it over light things, it turns dark, and when you put it over dark things, it turns this. Here's a good example. So put dark mode on, it turns white, put it off, and the mouse also snaps, as you can see. Now you have your color here, so you can have white. So you have a little white border, you have a blue one, a red one, a green, a yellow, and an orange. I like the green look. Then if you press stroke size, you can choose how thick you want it to be. But I like none, as it looks simple, and here it is, it's snapping. Now if you actually go back, and you actually go up to, so it's in the touch, I think. And it's in, oh yes, assistive touch. Now, if you click this, you also have, you get this one over here, but if you go to pointer, you can have, you have the on-screen keyboard or show, you can, with mouse keys, you can do this stuff, but devices, click your mouse, you can actually choose what the middle click does. So your middle click, when I have assistive touch enabled, shows the dock. But if you just swipe to the bottom, you get the dock, and it snaps up here. You can click it, or just hold it up in that corner and it would open. Or if you click the time, it would open up this menu. Or you can open up this menu by doing that. So that is, sometimes this thing over here gets annoying. And I feel like you don't really need it, but if you want to custom bind your mouse, you can. And yes, that's it. I'll turn assistive touch off, and I go back. Now, you can use a lot of things. Things snap. Games don't usually work with this, but if you're recording videos, and you can't see where you touch, you just see it happening. This is a good way of showing you where you're touching. Now, scrolling works, everything works, so it's pretty good. Now, if you like this video, I hope you do. Thank you. Bye.